100 or 135?
135.
Wow. Yeah.
RX is RX only.
Yeah.
Nothing can beat RX.
Yes, RX.
RX lover.
Yeah. Pull it, bro, pull it. Hey guys, it's your Motogo. Welcome back with brand new video. And this is Sunday morning ride. And I'm meeting one of our subscriber to our channel. And he's been asking me from such a long time to meet, and I also want to meet him. He got a 135 last year, I guess, and yeah, I just want to show his motorcycle, and I also show my motorcycle to him. So it's kind of RX owner exchanging the motorcycles. So just now I called him, and he said he's at the fuel station. He's filling some fuel in his motorcycle. So I'll also go over there. So I'll just ask him. So you can see that maroon color RX 135. I thought it's a black color. I have seen it previously, but let me ask him whether he changed the paint scheme or not. Chana rojul tarvata. So that's the RX 135. I'm missing the stock exhaust note. Wow. I might get a RX 100 6-level silencer, and I'll install it on my 135. In cat silencer, you won't see a smoke because catalytic converter is there. It will stop all the smoke emitting from the exhaust. And second thing, it stopped the exhaust note, I mean the sound. So once we reach the main road, I'll ask him to ride my motorcycle, and I'll ride his motorcycle, so that we'll get to know about both the motorcycles in a long stretch. Daniel bro, if you're watching this video, I can see from here your speedometer is not working. I think there is some cable issue. And you got a new 135 stand. It is also damaging the chain cover. So I'll suggest him to change with the Yamaha Libero stand that a lot of people recommended me. I put a CD100 as a stand, but I have to do a small alteration to get the perfect lean angle. But a lot of people say that Libero is a direct fit, no need to cut, no need to alter. So I'll suggest him that Libero side stand, and we'll talk more over there. And here comes the main road, just a few seconds. So I'll go over there and we'll exchange our bikes. So we'll exchange our bikes here. Bro, we'll exchange bikes so you can ride this. So I'm gonna try his motorcycle, and he's Daniel bro. Hi bro. And ride my motorcycle, let me know what's your opinion. And I'll also try your motorcycle. I mean, this is the first time I'm trying your motorcycle. Yeah, so let's go. Some crazy grunt in his motorcycle. Pull it bro, pull it. You can pull it. I'm missing the exhaust note. I'll definitely get the stock exhaust note very soon. And you can see, I haven't seen my motorcycle, someone riding it. So I'm observing it. And if we talk about this motorcycle, the cone set and everything was good. The brakes are also good. I mean, this motorcycle have a different handlebar, so I'm feeling it kind of different. And you can't hear any sound from a motorcycle. And I'll ask him whether he love that exhaust note or not. The seat, okay, now I got it. So I have a what it called, the camel seat, so that's why kind of going inside the seat and going back, that's why I feel a different handling. And how you feel bro?
Really nice, bro. It's really smooth.
Okay. And do you love the exhaust note of this motorcycle?
No, it is very
Or you like that one?
No, I like this one.
This is kind of silent. When I want to do long distances, this is the best thing to do.
Very effective, very silent. We can enjoy the ride also.
Yeah bro.
Here in this, we will be having sound from the back.
This would be more enjoyable in the weekend rides like that, but sometimes I really miss the exhaust note of that. So right now we just stopped at a location where we can shoot our videos, and he's the owner of that 135, Daniel bro.
Hi.
Met him on the Instagram, and this is the second time that we're meeting, right?
Yes.
And today I got an opportunity to ride his motorcycle, his maroon color Yamaha RX 135. which was running on a stock exhaust. You can see. Love the exhaust note, bro. This
Thank
one,
you,
I
bro.
love the exhaust note of this one. So right now I'm gonna ask him what are the things that he have been changed on his motorcycle and how much he got it for. And bro, come in the frame, bro. And
Hi guys, I got it for 27,000.
so he got it for 27,000. And from where you got it, bro? OLX.
I got it from Quicker.
So he got it from the Quicker. And is the papers valid, bro?
No bro.
So if you are watching this, make sure you get a valid motorcycle. And I'll ask him what are the things that he have been changed on his motorcycle. So what are the things you have changed, bro?
I have changed the tires.
The TVS tires. I mean, the camera can't give justice, but you can see the grip. Both at the front and rear, bro.
Yes, both I have changed.
And you can see the pattern. Looks similar to C8, but kind of different. And I would recommend you for C8, bro, compared to TVS.
Sure.
Next time whenever you go for, don't avoid TVS, bro.
Okay.
You can go for MRF, C8 or any other brand, but just ignore the TVS.
Sure.
And any mods that you have done, bro?
I have changed the handlebars.
So he changed the handlebar. How much you got it, bro? How much you got it for?
I don't remember.
Close to 2 or 300.
Close to 300.
So this is the T handlebar, right? And anything more, bro?
I have added this one.
So he added the brake. I mean only rubber, right?
Yes, only the rubber one.
So he added this rubber. And
I had few issues with the pump oil. I have changed the pump oil.
so you can see this is a new 2T oil tank, right, bro?
Yes, new to
Yeah, so he installed a new 2T oil, but guys, you can see the pipe is out of the tank, so that's why you can see the spillage over here. So I always recommend you guys, don't go for these rubber pipes. So this is the 2T oil pipe connection that goes to the 2T oil tank. It will not last for more than 2 weeks. These rubber pipes are not worth. So better you go for this one. These are the plastic pipes. They won't melt or they won't crack. So previously I have the same issue. I have lost around 500 ml of 2T oil on my motorcycle, and one day I saw that there is cracks on these rubber pipes. So from 2T oil tank to 2T oil pump, from 2T oil pump to carburetor. So you have one big pipe and one small pipe. Change both the pipes to plastic pipes. And you can see that, bro.
Yes, bro, I can see that.
The pipe was cracked and it was leaking over there. And very soon he's gonna fix a 2T oil pump.
Yes.
Right now he is using a premix. And anything more, bro? You installed the side stand, right?
Yes, recently I have installed the side stand.
So you have installed the Yamaha original side stand. This don't give you a better experience for rider, bro. Like this thing is the lean angle was very bad. Kind of very, if we park it in a slope area, it will fall off.
Okay.
So a lot of people say that Libero stand is direct fit.
Libero.
One of our subscriber friend commented why you welded, why you cut it and everything like that. So I'm if you want to change it, you can change it to Libero if you face any issues.
Okay.
And how much the efficiency that you are getting, bro, on the motorcycle?
Never checked it, bro.
But approximately
30 plus.
30 plus. That means good mileage. And you have installed a new speedometer. Is that a new?
No, it's the old one only, bro.
The needle and everything looks new, and I think the previous owner have installed it.
Yes.
It's only run about 509 kilometers. Maybe some issue with the cable.
Yes, correct. Cable.
Yeah. If we change the cable, then the speedometer is going to be work. And this motorcycle have a different accent of color. Like you can see the black mudguards, where on a normal motorcycle you can see the silver. And also I'm gonna show you the front mudguard. It is also in the black color. It's in the black color. And you have changed the pipes, right? You forgot it about it.
I've changed I had an issue with the oil pipes.
Okay.
Oil seals. I've changed it.
Your pipes will be affected and it won't last for long. And you can see lines on the pipes if you don't change the oil seals. So you got a motorcycle with both the pipes has gone and both the oil seals has gone. So install brand new pipes.
Yes.
And both the pipes you can see. Yeah, this is a common issue on all the RX, but I will suggest you, bro, like you can change to those dust caps. You can see it on my 135. If you install this, the oil seals won't break off. You know, I traveled around 1300 kilometers on this with a pillion.
Okay.
No oil leaks. I've checked it. You can check it just by opening here. They clean, no dust, no nothing.
Yes, correct, bro.
So always use these dust caps, and these are Pulsar 150 classic dust caps. So the direct fit. And anything more, bro? You have did any wiring or battery or anything, or everything was fine?
Everything was fine, bro. I
Okay.
didn't have any issues with the wiring.
Okay.
Everything good.
And I like the maroon paint scheme. When I saw it first, like I thought this was a RX100, because a lot of RX100 owners make the paint scheme to maroon.
I like this maroon and black combination, so I got it done.
Okay, looks good, but if you install a luggage carrier, that
Yes,
would
yes.
be really good.
I'll be doing that next.
The carb, it is 4TL01, which is 4-speed carb, and you can see the bore is E3, and I'll show you it's a 4-speed or a 5-speed block. So it's written over there 4TL00, which is 4-speed, and you can see 132, that means 135cc motorcycle. And have you installed the rims, or those are the old rims?
These are old rims only, bro.
And you can see this is a stock seat too. I like this seat. I mean, personally, I'm comfortable in that seat. What's your opinion on that seat, bro?
That is really comfortable and very good to ride, bro. For long drives, that is really good.
But what's your opinion? I mean, how was the riding feel and everything?
Engine, everything was very refined.
Okay.
The pickup is really good.
Okay.
I enjoyed the stock. I enjoyed the silencer.
Cat silencer.
Cat silencer.
And
Performance, when we accelerate it, it's really good.
this is mainly because of the cat silencer.
Yes.
You won't have that lag, but in the top end, you'll feel a little bit lag with the cat silencer.
Okay.
But on a top end, I mean, if you do a long run, this silencer would be great.
And
And
the stock type of silencer.
yeah,
So I
you
got it done.
stock lick.
Yes. One of my cousin, I like the sound to be normal only. I
Okay.
don't like the RX to sound more with while we are riding.
Okay.
So one of my cousin, he got this done. He wanted that sound. So
Okay, he changed the muffler.
he changed the muffler. He only got it done.
Okay.
So I'm using for timing. I'm using that only.
I already know about the silence, I mean exhaust note, because 135 doesn't sound like this.
Yes, correct.
I think there is some modified muffler
He
in
has
there.
removed the silencer.
Okay.
And he have cut it into half.
Okay.
And he have welded it.
So he done some modifications to
Yes.
inside muffler.
Correct.
So a lot of people can do muffler alteration. You can already get altered mufflers in the market. So if you add that, your motorcycle sounds a bit louder. And if you want to tell anything to our viewers about, they have to go for this 135, or you want to prefer any other two-stroke motorcycle, please let them know.
135 is good.
Yeah.
RX is RX only.
Yeah.
Nothing can beat RX.
Yes, RX.
RX lover.
Yeah, 100 or 135. Bro, which one do you prefer? 100 or 135?
135.
So 135 any day, because you will get good mileage, and the exhaust note of RX100 was really good compared to 135.
135. Correct.
So yeah, this is all about the video, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, peace.